A reverse of fortunes for today. It's fine and dry in the south and turning very wet and windy across the north. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Wednesday, 31st.
Good morning. So I just want to set Andy a challenge because I have this picture. I have been on top of the Brighton i360 and I would love him to be able to do this from the top, leaning out, and I'm pretty sure...
No way. No
that
way,
says it all.
You
Andy,
might
do
now
it.
have big hair, but I'm not doing that. No way.
It is exhilarating, and I can tell you it is the perfect weather for him to do that down there as well, because actually the winds are light and it is largely fine and dry in the south. A very different story further north because it is cloudy, wet and windy. Here is what is going on right now. Clear conditions in the south, perfect if you want to head up that Brighton i360, but wet, windy weather knocking on the door of Scotland. A warning in force for the strength of the winds. We're looking at 60 to 70 mile an hour gusts of wind, heavy rain here. A complete reverse of fortunes from where we were yesterday. The heavy band of rain moves away from northern Scotland, colder air in here later, even some wintry showers. The rest of Scotland, northern England, Northern Ireland, a very wet, windy afternoon. In England and Wales, after a fine, dry, sunny start, slowly clouding over in the west, and here milder than it was yesterday. How do things pan out as we head through the next 7 days? Well, actually, yesterday was a bit fresher for many of us. Temperatures sitting around average, and I think it felt cool because it's just been so mild. Now, we'll look at the theme for the next 7 days across the north of the UK. So this is Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England. Temperatures are above average for the majority of the week. Percentage chance of rainfall. We have our band of heavy rain today. It is drier, fresher tomorrow, but then the rest of the week and into next week remains unsettled with more wind and rain. Fortunes further south for England and Wales for the next 7 days. Again, temperature-wise, we are above average by day and by night. Some exceptionally mild nights to come. And that's 13 on Saturday. We could get up to 15 or 16 degrees. Percentage chance of rainfall across the south of the UK. Well, actually, it doesn't look too bad. High pressure close by, keeping it largely dry, with the chance of showers on Saturday. Good morning to you. A band of heavy rain is set to move across Scotland, Northern Ireland. With very gusty winds further south, it is fine and dry. The radar picks out this band of rain just knocking on the door of northwest Scotland. It spreads across all of Scotland, Northern Ireland this morning, Northern England this afternoon. A warning for gusts of wind of 50 to 60 miles an hour through Northern England, 70 to 80 miles an hour for Scotland. It clears, brighter skies follow. And for England and Wales, after a fine, dry, sunny start, clouding over from the west later.